Elon Musk's relationship with Ashley St. Clair has become the focal point of controversy after Musk publicly acknowledged providing St. Clair with substantial financial support, allegedly in response to accusations she made about him reducing child support payments for a child she claims he fathered. The details of their interaction, which Musk revealed in a statement, shed light on both the complexities of Musk's personal life and his approach to resolving legal disputes. Musk claimed he paid St. Clair $2.5 million as a lump sum, in addition to annual payments of $500,000. These financial arrangements were allegedly made after St. Clair accused Musk of adjusting the terms of his child support payment, something that St. Clair believed to be an attempt to minimize his financial responsibility towards their child. The issue stems from the tension surrounding child support obligations and Musk's approach to resolving such matters in his life. Musk, known for his massive wealth and high-profile status, has been a subject of public scrutiny when it comes to his family matters. The ongoing legal battle between Musk and St. Clair is indicative of the broader challenges that wealthy individuals often face in navigating family law disputes, where large sums of money and personal reputations are at stake. The fact that Musk publicly acknowledged these payments, as well as his willingness to reach an agreement with St. Clair, is a rare glimpse into the financial dynamics and complexities of his personal dealings. Ashley St. Clair, who has largely remained in the public eye for her alleged connection to Musk, has not been shy about voicing her concerns regarding the treatment she received in relation to their child. The accusation that Musk reduced his child support payments was met with a mix of public reactions, ranging from support for St. Clair to skepticism regarding her claims. Musk's response, in the form of a substantial financial payout, suggests that he may have been trying to quell the dispute without prolonging the legal proceedings, though the exact reasons for the payment and the full extent of the allegations remain unclear. This financial settlement, though significant in its scale, also speaks to Musk's broader reputation as someone who often uses his wealth to resolve issues swiftly. In the past, Musk has made headlines for his unconventional approach to both business and personal matters, often choosing to settle disputes privately or with minimal public interference. In this case, the $2.5 million payout and the ongoing $500,000 annual payments suggest that Musk was willing to take measures to maintain control of the narrative surrounding his personal life, especially when it came to his children and the allegations made against him. St. Clair's allegations are part of a wider narrative of how wealthy individuals interact with the legal system, especially in matters involving family law. Critics of Musk's approach may argue that the hefty payout could be seen as an attempt to buy silence or avoid the complexities of a prolonged legal battle. However, others might view the settlement as a way to prevent further public exposure of personal matters, which could tarnish Musk's image and distract from his professional endeavors. The revelation of the $2.5 million payment is also notable in the context of Musk's overall wealth and financial strategy. Known for his investments in companies like Tesla, SpaceX, and various other ventures, Musk has amassed a fortune that places him among the wealthiest individuals in the world. His wealth has, at times, been a double-edged sword, attracting both admiration and criticism. The ability to settle disputes with large sums of money, while often seen as a privilege, also raises questions about how individuals with significant financial resources navigate the legal system and their personal lives. The details of the financial arrangement also suggest that Musk may have chosen to negotiate with St. Clair outside the public eye, prioritizing a resolution over a protracted legal battle. While the specifics of the settlement remain unclear, the sum involved reflects Musk's approach to conflict resolution, one that involves leveraging his wealth to quickly close matters that could otherwise escalate. This approach, however, does not negate the broader implications of the allegations made by St. Clair. In the court of public opinion, Musk's actions have sparked a debate about the ethics of using wealth to resolve personal disputes. On one hand, his decision to make the payments could be seen as a pragmatic way to avoid further public scrutiny and potential legal complications. On the other hand, the sheer scale of the financial payout raises questions about whether this type of resolution undermines the fairness of family law, especially for those who do not have the financial means to resolve such disputes on their own terms. Musk's high-profile nature only adds to the complexity of the situation, as his personal life is inevitably intertwined with his public persona. Musk's wealth and influence have often led to speculation about how he navigates various aspects of his life, from his business dealings to his family dynamics. The St. Clair situation offers another example of how Musk's resources allow him to make significant financial decisions that might be out of reach for most individuals. While the exact details of his relationship with St. Clair remain murky, it is clear that Musk has chosen to address the situation in a way that minimizes the chances of a drawn-out legal battle. The controversy surrounding Musk and St. Clair also touches on broader themes of gender, power, and wealth, particularly in the context of high-net-worth individuals and their interactions with the legal system. Some critics have suggested that wealthy men like Musk may use their financial power to control the narrative and dictate the terms of personal disputes, potentially sidelining the voices of those who are less financially powerful. The financial settlement with St. Clair could be seen as an extension of this dynamic, where money becomes the primary means of resolving issues that might otherwise involve more complex negotiations or legal procedures. The situation is also emblematic of the unique challenges that individuals like Musk face in the public eye. Every aspect of his life is under scrutiny, and personal disputes that might otherwise remain private become public affairs. In many ways, the settlement between Musk and St. Clair serves as a reminder of the ways in which wealth can shape both personal and professional lives, allowing individuals to resolve issues that might otherwise be more contentious or difficult to handle. Moreover, the ongoing $500,000 annual payments reveal that Musk may have intended to create a long-term resolution, rather than a one-time payout that would entirely sever his financial ties to the situation. This suggests a continued level of responsibility on Musk's part, though it also raises questions about whether such payments are truly an indication of his commitment to resolving the matter fairly or whether they are merely another way to prevent further public complications. The arrangement hints at the complexities of personal finance when high amounts of money are involved, as well as the way such financial decisions can be used to exert influence or create lasting financial obligations.